Now we will study about in chapter 3 eating habits of animals, that how animals eat. So what is there how animals eat? Do you know how animals eat? Some animals eat with the help of teeth, with the help of jaw, with the help of tongue, with the help of claws and legs. That they use different ways of finding their food. Let us study it now. First one is herbivorous. Herbivorous animals are which one? Those who eat plants only. The most of the plant eating animals have sharp front teeth for biting or cutting plants and strong broad back teeth for chewing. Okay. What is said? Herbivorous. So how herbivorous animals eat? Herbivorous animals. How they eat? Most of the plant eating animals have sharp front teeth for biting or cutting. Cutting plants and strong broad back teeth for chewing. Strong broad back teeth for chewing. Have you ever seen the teeth of cow or buffalo? Have you ever seen? If you see now, what you will see, that front teeth are sharp. Correct? If you see your own teeth also, the front teeth are sharp. So what do you do with that? तुम अपने front teeth से क्या करते? You cut it, isn't? You cut it. और back teeth, if you see, it is broad, चौड़े हैं, isn't? Last teeth you see, from which you chew, it is little bit broad. So what does it mean? That front teeth is meant for cutting and back teeth is meant for chewing. Na? Have you seen your own teeth? अपने teeth देखे कभी? ध्यान दिया है? Front teeth you see, they are sharp and back teeth they are broad, चौड़े हैं. तो what do they? They help for chewing and front teeth are helpful for cutting. Okay. Then next, animals who are the plant eating animals. I have already told you, buffalo, cow, goat first swallow the food without chewing it. ना देखा कभी इन लोगों को खाते? ये लोग घास जाते हैं, निकालते हैं और मुंह में डाल लेते हैं. After some time, they bring back the swallowed food to their mouth from the pouch of their stomach. They are having pouch in which they store the food. Then they again grind the food well and chew it for hours before swallowing it. This is called chewing the cud. What it is called? Chewing the cud. Now other animals like rabbit, rats and squirrels have two very sharp front teeth. They bite fruits and seeds. With these teeth, such animals are called gnawing animals. Gnawing animals means they are having sharp teeth. Gnawing animals means they have two sharp front teeth. They have two sharp front teeth. They have two sharp front teeth They bite fruit and seed with these. They bite fruit and seeds with these teeth. With which teeth? The teeth which are very sharp in front. Okay? Have you seen rabbit? खरगोश देखा ही होगा, तो उसने देखो दो फ्रंट में टीथ होते हैं with which it bites. So this what it is called, gnawing teeth. Then giraffe has very long neck to eat leaves from tall trees. Have you seen giraffe? Giraffe देखा आप लोग ने? So what do giraffe do? What is the benefit of giraffe? That it can take the leaves from the tall trees. Na? Giraffe, what do they do? It takes the leaves from the tall trees. Then third comes elephant. Have you seen an elephant? I think most of you have seen elephant on the road or in the farms. Many places you can see. So what it does? It grabs food with its trunk. Trunk, you know, that long comes out of from the face. From that it collects the food, and it also sucks up water with its trunk and shoots it like a fountain into its mouth. देखा कभी? Have you seen ever elephant eating? He collects its food on his trunk, and after that it swallow it. And sometimes what they do? They collect water in the trunk and throw it as a fountain on others. Okay, and throw it on as a fountain on others. Then next come carnivorous animals. What is your next? Carnivorous animals. See, carnivorous animals, they are, most of them are flesh eating animals. Most of the animals are flesh eating animals have sharp curved front teeth. For what? For tearing the flesh of hunted animals. And they have strong grinding back teeth. Strong grinding back teeth. So what I have told it here, if you see the flesh eating animals, so what they have? Flesh eating animals, they have front teeth as a sharp curve for tearing the flesh. Okay, when you are eating flesh na, so you have to tear it firstly. So that na, you if you have studied about teeth, so you are having canine. In the middle fourth, so if you take first and sixth teeth, middle part, they are said to be as canine. They are sharp and curved, and they are having strong grinding back teeth. Not only this, they have strong and sharp paws to hunt also. Paws, you know, for hunting. हंट करने के लिए भी उनके पास क्या होते हैं? पॉज होते हैं, जिससे कि वो कैच इट इजली and they can eat easily. Na? That's why you get fear from lion, tiger. Are you having fear of lion? If you see lion in a jungle, what you will do? You will run away or you will go in front of them? Definitely you will run away because you are having fear with the lion. Can you face lion? No. Okay. Then animals like lion, tiger, leopard, wolves, dogs and cats hold their prey in their strong paws, kill it, tear its flesh and then swallow it after chewing. Chameleon and frog have a long sticky tongue. What type of tongue there are? Long and sticky. देखा है कभी frog की tongue को? लंबी सी होती है. So what did you do? They used to catch insect. That insect will come and can be caught in it. Then snake does not have chewing teeth at all. It swallow its food whole. स्नेक क्या करता है? सीधे पूरा खा लेता है, ना उसको swallow करने की जरूरत है ना चबाने की जरूरत है. Then birds like eagle and vulture have curved, pointed, strong beaks that help them to tear flesh. What do the birds like eagle and vulture have? Curved, pointed, strong beaks for tearing of flesh. Okay, they are having strong, pointed beak so that they can tear the flesh. Okay, students, that's how the animals eat food, with the help of which body parts. Okay. So you have seen na, some animals eat as a whole, some animals eat with the help of teeth, chew with the back teeth. They are having different types of teeth are found in different types of animals. Okay. So this all we have studied right now. Now that's all for today about this chapter. Next we will continue in the next class.